You have a brilliant idea, a product that solves a real problem, and a team with the passion to make it happen. You've got a vision, but now you need to convince someone else to share it. You need to write an investment proposal. But here's the reality. Investors see countless pitch decks and proposals. So how do you make sure yours doesn't just get opened, but gets an enthusiastic tell me more? I'm going to walk you through exactly how to write an investment proposal that impresses investors and wins funding. And I'll show you Qwilr's interactive template that makes the whole process much faster, cleaner, and way more compelling for your investors. The foundation. A great proposal is about the story, not just the data. A traditional static PDF proposal is a one-way street. It's hard to stand out and you have no idea if your audience is actually engaging. In fact, our data shows you can get up to a 2x acceptance rate by including interactive elements in your proposal to keep your users engaged. An investment proposal isn't just a document, it's a narrative. It's your chance to tell a story about the problem, a solution, and a team that's going to change an industry. The best proposals combined a powerful story with cold hard data. They show the investor exactly what they've done, where they're going, and how their investment fits into the journey. That's where a tool like Qwilr comes in. Helps you blend all these elements into a seamless, trackable experience. What to do before you start writing. Before you even think about starting to write the investment proposal, there's 4 things you need to get right. And these steps will show your investors that you've done your homework and help you build a proposal that's grounded in real insights, not guesswork. Number 1, research the market. Know the industry, your competitors, and what customers actually want. Use tools like Google Trends or surveys to spot gaps others aren't addressing. Number 2, understand your product. Be crystal clear on the problem your product solves, what makes it unique, and where your product is headed. A simple one-pager or comparison chart can bring this to life. Number 3, define your audience. Build buyer personas and map your customer journey so you can show investors exactly how and who will buy. And don't underestimate number 4, research your investors. Tailor your proposal by learning about their past investments, interests, and what they value, whether it's ROI, innovation, or social impact. Let's talk about the elements of a successful investment proposal. Let's dive into the meat of your proposal. The first impression, who you are and what you're building. The first impression sets the entire tone for your proposal. Right up front, investors want 2 things, who you are and what you're building. Start with your company. Keep it short, but impactful. Share your mission, your vision, and your story of why you exist. Highlight any traction you've already built, whether that's customers, revenue, partnerships, or milestones. This isn't about a long history lesson. It's about giving investors confidence that you're credible and worth their attention. Then introduce your product. What problem does it solve and why does it matter? Make the value crystal clear and exactly what sets you apart from competitors. If you can, show it off. A quick visual, mock-up, or demo screenshot makes the product feel real. Investors should immediately understand the pain point your solution solves and why you're the team to deliver it. Think of this section as the hook that makes them want to keep reading. Don't overstuff it, save the detail for later. Why business model and market opportunity matters. So you've introduced yourself and your product. The next question on every investor's mind is, how big is this market? That's where the market section comes in. You need to show the problem you're solving isn't just real, it's big enough to build a serious business around it. Highlight the size of your industry, the trends driving the change, and where the gaps are that your product fills. The more clearly you can demonstrate unmet demand, the easier it is for investors to see the growth potential. Use credible data, visuals like charts, and keep your focus on why the timing is right now. Once you've painted the picture of the market, you need to explain how you plan to capture it, and that's your business model. This section shows you how you turn an idea into actual revenue. Lay out your pricing structure in simple terms, explain any recurring revenue streams like subscription or service charges, and call-outs like add-ons or upsell opportunities. Transparency is key here. Investors want to see a model that is both realistic and scalable. A couple tips here. Keep your market size estimate credible. Don't exaggerate. It's better to show a focused, winnable niche than claim you'll capture everyone. For your business model, lean on clarity. A 1 or 2 section detailing your revenue stream or a simple chart can often tell the story better than paragraphs and pages of text. Together, these 2 sections can answer 2 of the biggest questions investors are wondering. Is this market worth chasing? And will this business make money? Nail those and you've already built a strong foundation for the rest of your investment proposal. Funding requirements and use of funds. This is your moment, your ask. Be clear and confident about how much funding you're seeking and what you need for it, and most importantly, what investors can expect in return. Investors value transparency, so break down how the money will fuel your growth, whether that's scaling into new markets, building upon your existing technology, or making strategic acquisitions. But don't stop there. Highlight the potential upside. Outline your estimated returns based on growth projections and show the kind of ROI they could expect if you hit your target. And finally, address your exit strategy. Are you building towards an IPO, a strategic acquisition, or a long-term growth play? Giving investors a clear picture of how and when they might see liquidity can build trust, make your proposal feel more compelling. When you're combining funding requirements with return and exit strategy, you're not just asking for money. You're showing investors the full journey of where their capital will take them and how they'll benefit when the business succeeds. Building credibility and trust. After you've laid out the business model and funding needs, it's time to add credibility and build trust. Two powerful ways to do this are through testimonials and a meet the team section. Let's start with testimonials. Investors want proof that your product or service works in the real world. Client quotes, case studies, or partner feedback brings your claim to life and shows traction. Keep them short, authentic, and results oriented. Next, introduce your team. Remember, investors aren't just betting on an idea, they're betting on the people that can execute them. Highlight your founding team and key leaders, focusing on experience, expertise, and what makes you uniquely equipped to win. Keep it concise but impactful. Think quick wins, bios, relevant experience, and logos of companies you've worked out before. Next steps. Every strong proposal needs to end with a clear next step, and that's where Qwilr's accept block comes in. With just one click, prospects can sign directly inside your proposal using Qwilr's built-in e-signature. No downloads, no back and forth, just a seamless way to express your interest and make a commitment. You can even attach a formal agreement right alongside the proposal. So everything from contract to the signature happens in one place. That means less friction, faster turnaround, and no chance of things getting lost in someone's inbox. And finally, don't forget a contract section. Even with a clear CTA, sometimes prospects might want to ask a question, schedule a call, or connect before signing. Adding direct contact info, or better yet, embedding your calendar, gives them an easier way to reach you. Closing strong isn't just about asking for a signature. It's about making the next step effortless. With Qwilr, you can guide prospects from proposal to agreement to a signed deal, all without leaving a page. And that's it. You've got all the building blocks now to create a compelling investment proposal that actually gets results. If you want to save time, grab the free template I've linked below in the description and start customizing it for your business. And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I've got more tips, templates, and tools coming your way to help you win more deals.